Hey, what's up, everyone? I hope you guys had an awesome time ringing in the new year last night. If one of your New Year's resolutions happens to be purchasing a home this year, I wanted to share 3 tips that really helped me to become a first-time homeowner a year ago when buying a home was one of my New Year's resolutions. So tip number 1 is to get really clear on the outcome that you are going for. So for instance, if your result that you're going for is to lower your monthly expenses right now, maybe you're tired of the rent increases that you're dealing with, there are several ways to go about this, and it may not be buying a single family home. It may be buying a multifamily where you can rent out a couple of the units and use some of that rent to lower your monthly mortgage payment. So we really won't know until we figure out what your current situation is, which is why it's super important to meet up with a realtor and just get really clear on what the best game plan is for you, depending on your circumstance. Second tip is to meet up with a lender as soon as you can and just see what you qualify for. The last thing you want to do is miss out on an opportunity. If you do find something that fits your needs, you don't want to get in your own way and hold up that process. So it's definitely crucial to meet up with a lender as soon as possible. And if you do need help with that, I know a great lender that can help you get squared away with that. And the third tip is to just really expand your mindset around where you are looking. Sometimes, we might get kind of attached to a certain area, and hey, you never know. There might be another area that is going to fit your needs even more. I know when I started my home search, I was really attached to Williamson County, and then I ended up discovering Hendersonville, and that is how we found Durham Farms. And this community has just been awesome for us, and it just really fit our budget and what we were looking for. So those are my tips. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, definitely comment below, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. Have a great new year.